Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out,
as well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog guys, nakikita nyo ba yung karatola sa likod natin? So this is at the shops at Infinity. Today we're gonna do a food crawl.
I'm very excited, so we will visit different kinds of food dito na makikita sa
the shops
Infinity. So tara, let's go!
Alright, so for our first stop dito sa food crawl natin, the shops at the Infinity,
yes.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa shops.
So dito they serve burgers, steak, and mga shakes.
Exactly. So guys, excited na kaming makita kung ano yung mga pagkain dito. Samahan niyo po kami. So starting off guys with their milkshakes. And grabe, this is a must. These are must try dito. Actually guys, natingman na natin si The Champs sa Tarlac.
Yes.
They have a branch there which we already featured. However, good news is, hindi na natin kailangan pumunta doon.
Yeah. So ngayon, nasa the shops Infinity na siya.
Yes.
Lumapit siya sa ating mga kapampangan.
So this is an American dining restaurant. So dito nga, sinasabi namin kanina, they serve burgers, steaks and shakes. And grabe yung mga serving dito. Ang lalaki guys.
So just like this one, yung kanilang signature na hamburger.
Yes. They are kind enough so for our food crawl, no? So definitely we're gonna order their best sellers. And one of them of course, mga steaks.
Yeah. So this one, yan. So sa tingin pa lang, ang sarap na.
Dapat gutom kang pupunta dito. You're gonna have your belly filled with really good food. And then last for our order is of course the crab mango salad. And again, this is a memorable dish when we were able to tinikman natin ito.
So orders complete na tayo. So next thing to do, taste test.
Look at this hot dog sandwich guys. This is at the shops at Infinity. And aside from this guys, check out their locations. Kami sa Dolores JBL, Dauma Balacat, Santa Rosario Angeles, AUF Sidegate, and the shops. Let's enjoy these. Alright. Okay, so since sama na natin si Miss Joey dun sa mga earlier videos natin, kasama pa rin natin siya magte-taste test dito sa Happy Judah. So,
I'm not sure anong flavor this one.
How about you, brother?
So ako naman, syempre yung ube nila.
I think this is
Oreo? Anyway, so this is the food crawl po dito sa the shops at Infinity, and isa sa mga ma-enjoy nyo dito is si Happy Judah. So it's gonna be the first milk tea
here at the Infinity. And you should visit us because we have a lot of new food concepts here.
Oh yes, and one of this of course is see the Happy Judah, and we're lucky to witness the grand opening po ng Happy Judah. So congratulations! What's your concept, Mama? Actually, this is surprising. And it's, you know, dental and then a coffee shop.
Yes. Parang New York theme kami. Because naisip namin doon nung nasa New York kami ng friend ko and nung kapatid ko. Habang nagka-training kami ng dental doon. So sabi ko, why not bring it here na yung mga inaral namin, dito namin dalhin sa Pampanga. Eh, dream ko din naman magka-cafe. Ganun ako nag-start.
I see.
Kasi actually, kaya nilagyan namin ang cafe ito parang waiting area din ng mga patients namin. So, di ba nakakainip kapag napupunta ka sa dental? Tapos, minsan kasi napapahaba yung procedure, baka mainip sila, or pwede din kung may schedule sila sa dental, meet nila yung friends nila, nasa isang lugar na lang sila.
The clinic is the usual dental clinic. You do your cleaning, extraction,
crowns, veneer, surgery. One-stop shop. Kahit mga X-ray, panoramic.
So for the clinic is open from? It's
from Tuesday to Sunday. Actually, pareho kami ng cafe.
Okay, Tuesday to Sunday.
12 noon to kami 8 p.m. sila 9.
Alright, so this is Cafe Serendipitale. It's a New York style rooftop cafe and nakaka-distress nga siya. So as far as the eye can see, nadi-distress yung mata natin. At the same time, you enjoy the ambience as well as the great food. Alright, so part ng food crawl natin dito sa The Shops at Infinity is Cafe Serendipitale. Napaganda ng ambience dito. So it's a rooftop cafe. So you get to have the incandescent bulbs, the clouds above you, the stars.
No, actually, kung dito yung tamang chill lang. So maganda yung makikita mo, yung ambience, yung background ng Arayat. If you go here, it is one-stop shop na pwede ka magpa-cleaning ng ngipin. At the same time, kumain sa cafe.
Mag-date. So ano ba yung sinaserve nila dito sa Cafe Serendipitale? Of course, you have your coffees, have some pasta,
quesadillas,
cakes,
sweets.
Meron din tayong mga buffalo wings.
At the same time, syempre meron din silang mga dito, mga
cocktails.
And
so available din yung mga cocktails dito. So I think it's a perfect place for you to chill with your date or probably a group meeting as well. So kakain naman kami ngayon. Ano pong saserve tamo kayo ni?
Korean sir, authentic Korean food. Samji sir, dito sir, bali pagka-unique namin sir, meron kaming chicken meat. Start sa chicken meat for 249. Then gusto naman nila ng pork, meron kaming 299. Yung po 299 namin sir, shoulder blade for moxal.
Okay. Kung
gusto mo naman po na sila ng sir, pork belly, original pang Samji sir. Of course sir, siyempre, di mawawala yung beef. Yung 449 sir, lahat na yung sir, kasama na yung Korean food. Lahat sir, unlimited na po lahat.
I see.
Ngayon po sir, nag-open po kami ng 1 p.m. Until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday po.
Alright, so this is the last stop. We're gonna be food tasting today. Before that ends, thank you so much again, The Shops at Infinity. So this is Samji Plus, and this is an unlimited, chicken, pork, beef. And we actually saved the best for last. We saved the unlimited for last.
So at least dito yung pinaka-busog na busog kayo.
So for your food crawl, for your food exploring date, might as well check out The Shops at Infinity. They have a wide array of food choices po dito. Isa po dito this is a Korean restaurant, so Samji. They also have seafood. They also have milk teas, American diners, and a lot more. But particularly if you're craving for Korean food, make sure to check out Samji Plus. Grabe Mark, what an amazing journey, what amazing day.
So sobrang busog, sobrang dami ng kinain.
Sobra guys.
So if you're looking for a different kinds of food in one shop, so punta na kayo dito sa The Shops Infinity. So it is located dito sa
Angeles City. Landmark natin dito, very near siya dun sa Angeles City Hall. So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. If you like the food you saw in this video, tag mo na yung friend mo and date na kayo dito.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out guys. Bye.